Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to open a Ford Mustang bonnet. First, you'll need to locate the interior hood release handle. This is usually found on the driver's side, down by your left foot, often on the kick panel. Give it a firm pull, and you should hear a satisfying pop sound from the front of your Mustang, indicating the primary latch has released. This is the first crucial step to gaining access under the hood. Now that the primary latch is released, walk to the front of your Mustang. You'll notice the bonnet is slightly ajar. Look underneath the front edge, typically above or slightly to the left of the Ford logo. You're searching for a secondary safety latch. This is usually a small lever or tab, sometimes colored yellow, designed to provide an extra layer of security before the bonnet can be fully opened. With the secondary latch located, push or slide it to the side, often towards the right. This action will fully release the bonnet. Now, gently lift the bonnet upwards. Once it's open, find the prop rod, usually clipped to the radiator cover. Remove it from its retainer and firmly insert the end into the arrow-marked hole on the underside of your bonnet to keep it securely open while you work. When you're ready to close the bonnet, first remove the prop rod from the bonnet and snap it back into its retainer clips on the radiator cover. Then, gently lower the bonnet until it's about 12 to 24 inches above the car's body. From this height, simply let it drop. This allows gravity to help engage both the primary and secondary latches, ensuring your Mustang's bonnet is securely closed and flush.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.